Greetings, Progressbarians. My name is Vic, and welcome back to Victrix's Progressbar95 Updates, the series where I review the latest updates about this game called Progressbar95. If you don't know what this game is, Progressbar95 is a hyper-casual user interface game designed to evoke nostalgia for old Windows and Macintosh operating systems, which you unlock in the game by upgrading the computer hardware by getting points. So if you're interested, you can play the game for free on Android and iOS, or buy the game on Steam. I'm not going to waste any more time, let's just get into the topic of the video. So, today's topic is that a new beta update just came out, which is version 1.0460. There was another beta update before this, which was version 1.0450, but it included a bug, and that bug eventually got fixed in this version, 1.0460. And if you're wondering, hey, how do I get beta updates? Well, first of all, you have to get an Android device, because you can only get updates of Progressbar95 on Android, and not anything else, like iOS or Steam. You can only get updates of this game on Android. Second, you have to go to the Google Play Store and go to a section in the game page that says join the beta. Then you press the join button and you're done. That's it. So as you can see here in the what's new section, it says that the new features in this update are the Barium browser, the Poodle search engine, and some bug fixing. And you may or may not be asking, what is the Barium browser and what is the Poodle search engine? Well, we're gonna find that out together. So without further ado, let's just get onto talking about the update. Okay, so far nothing new, nothing's changed so far. So far. So yeah, there it is, browser. So hey, there's an icon for the random download link now. Where is my cursor? I thought I had my cursor enabled. Why don't I have it enabled? Where's the cursor thingy? Where is it? There it is. Show cursor. There we go. Yeah, as you can see here, there's an icon now. Back then in the alpha update, version 1.0440, it didn't have one, but now it does. So, yeah, but what? Okay, wrong URL too. It's ftp.dr3 is the website address link thing of it. Okay, cool. So yeah, right now we're getting, the positions for Barium and Progressilla are different. Progressilla is now last in the list. Back then, Barium was the last one in this list, all the way at the bottom. Now it's Progressilla. So I'm guessing that Progressilla is not in this update yet, and I'm guessing it will be added in the next beta update. So yeah. Also, apparently, Beige has a website. It's just Barium. Okay. Why does it redirect to the Barium website? I don't know. That's weird. But anyway, here we are, the Barium website. Poodle / Barium. Poodle is basically Google in the Progressbar95 universe. It's called Poodle. Yeah, for some reason in the community, there's been a lot of debate of what Google in the Progressbar95 universe would be called, but it now has an official name, Poodle. So yeah, it says here, the best browser for the ProgressNet. Download Barium for Progressbar 10, 1X, and 11. What about 11.22? The developer forget about that system? Anyway, yeah, Poodle Core 2000 to 2024. And there's the policy, which is pretty much you can get this from, you can access the policy website from here. But first what we're going to be looking at the Poodle website. So yeah, the website's Poodle and Barium browser. So here's the search engine, which has a different layout. So yeah, 3 buttons here: search, Lucky Me, and Unlucky Me. Lucky Me redirects to... okay, so it redirects to a random website. Okay, got it. And what about Unlucky Me? Okay, it redirects to a dead end. It redirects to an under construction website. Okay, got it. So that's all I wanted to do. We're gonna go check out the website and different systems later. But for now, we're gonna be installing Barium. And the files downloaded to your list. You may or may not be asking, where is it? I thought you downloaded it. I thought it's not installed. Well, first you have to go play a game mode in here, like this, and then it shows up. Also, a thing that I noticed is that when you get an orange segment, the bar at the bottom will not go up. I'm not talking about the radial progress bar. I'm talking about all the way at the bottom, the download manager. To make the progress bar go up, you have to get blue segments for it. I just noticed that. So yeah, that's interesting. Anyway, barium, we got it immediately because I have a very high level in this system, level 1020. I know, I am a crazy person. Anyway, barium, do you download file? Do you want to open it? Yeah. Poodle barium, that's the full name. Welcome to installer wizard. Okay, this is the same thing, same text, and successfully installed. Boom, here we are, barium, and as you can see here, the layout of the browser is different. As you can see here, the top. But first, we're going to talk about this which is just shows the version number and the company and the icon and the name of the browser, and it's pretty much the same for Progress Game Navigator. But yeah, you can see here there's the icon, which kind of looks like a face from the two dots. Also, it kind of looks like a yin yang or yang yin. Hold on, what is it called? Yin yang. Yin yang. Yang yin. This icon kind of looks like the yin and yang symbol thing. Also, the color scheme for this, which is blue and yellow, it's similar to Bar OS, if you know what that is. Yeah, Poodle Corp, version 2. In his version 2, unlike Progress Game Navigator, it was at version 3, but this one's at version 2. So yeah, I assume barium is only available for the second and third era, which is the early 2000s to the present. Well, Progress Game Navigator is on all eras, the first, second, and third, which is from the mid-90s to the present. So yeah, so as you can see here, the layout is different. The back, forward, and refresh buttons are now located in the same spot where the address bar is, and the bookmark, the options, and the info buttons are where the bonuses are. And yeah, of course the icons are different. I actually like this layout. This layout is pretty nice. I don't know if there's anything else, but yeah, we have barium right now. I don't know why the website button is in the beige radio button thing, but I assume that's gonna be fixed in the next beta update. So yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine. Yeah. Oh wow, you can even search stuff up on the address bar as well. That's neat. Okay, let's do ppp dot I don't know, poodle, I guess. Whoa. Results found. That's a lot of O's. And yes, I know the reference. Promo. They're promo websites, okay. Okay, it's just promo websites, alright. What if I just do poodle here? Okay. Why did it? Okay, so this is, okay. Let's do random let's do random website again. Okay, there's different promo websites. Okay, so the promo websites are random. Now it's time to go check out the different icons, the different appearances of the browser. Let's go to Progressbar 10. The icon of it is slightly different. It has, you can kind of see the gradients in there. Yeah, now we're gonna go to an older system. And that system will be Progressbar XB. And then, yeah, as you can see here, the icon is very glossy in 3D, which is cool. So yeah, why is it redirect? Why is it search you? I thought, what? Isn't it supposed to be poodle? So weird saying that. But yeah, layout is pretty much the same, version 2. Also, what's up with the icon? Alright, now that was Progressbar XB. And now, we're gonna check, I assume, we're gonna check Progressbar 95 Plus, or Progressbar 98. Let's do Progressbar 98, but I assume it's not gonna be there anyway, so, oh. Okay, never mind, it is there. So I guess Poodle and Barium existed all the way back in 1995, which is interesting. Oh, Progressbar 9X compatible mode. Another misspelling, compatible. Progressbar 9X compatible mode. That's neat. The icon is still the same though. So yeah. Oh yeah, right. By the way, I need to go check what the Poodle website looks like in different systems. There it is. Now the logo is in 3D. Wowee. That rhymes. So yeah, there's Poodle in the 90s. Now we're going to check the Poodle website in the 2000s and early 2010s. We're going to go back to Progress Bar. Let's go to Progress Bar 7. Why not? Okay, same icon. Alright. Poodle. Alright, and now the font is different. Yeah, the font is different. The font is now Georgia now. Instead of it doesn't look Times New Roman at all. And you may or may not be asking, how do I know that? Well, I did try to find the font for. I did try to find the font for one of the browsers, Progress Game Navigator, and the font for that was Georgia, not Times New Roman. So yeah, nothing pretty different in here, but yeah. Now my question is, can you change browsers in BarOS now? I don't know. Probably not right now. Maybe in the future. Maybe never. I don't know. Okay, there's still no options. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna be checking other websites and see if there's anything different. Probably not, but I'm gonna check out. I'm gonna check it out anyway. By the way, I'm curious if there will be an option to change to different search engines, like how you can change the default web browser. That would be interesting. Oh hey, there's a little animation when you bookmark our website in here. There's a little bouncing animation in the address bar. That's nice. Hello, this is the editor speaking, which is the exact same person that you just heard a couple seconds ago. I wanted to say that I did miss some features and changes after I finished recording the video. One of them being that I forgot to show you what the Barium website looks like in the first and second eras. So to start off, this is what the second era looks like. It has text in the middle that says, Barium is a browser that combines an advanced technology and nice clean design, simple to make ProgressNet faster and safer. And what's interesting about the first era version is that it's under construction, and it looks different from the other under construction website that you may or may not have seen. And also, there is a reference where if you go to the offline page, which all you have to do is, let's say you have the game open, and first you have to exit the game completely and then reopen it again. Then you have to go to the browser. You always need to have Barium for this, and the offline page looks different. It has a dino at the top, and you click on it, then it becomes a game similar to the Chrome Dino game, which is pretty neat. There are 3 segments that you can collect, which is blue, light blue, and red. The blue segment gives you 1 browser point. The light blue / cyan segment gives you 2 browser points, and the red segment kills you. So yeah, that's an interesting reference. One last thing, there's a feature where if you search Poodle in the Searchy website and then search you in the Poodle website, a warning window will show up that says you broke the ProgressNet, which is pretty funny. So that's all of the features and changes that I missed. Now back onto the video, which is pretty much the end of the video already, so. Okay, so there's been 0 changes in any of the other websites. I think that's the end of the video for today. But yeah, this update's pretty nice. I'll give it like a 7 or 8 out of 10. I like the layout of the Barium browser compared to the other browsers, which is just look like big buttons. So yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. So I think we're just gonna end the video here. So if you like the video, then like the video. If you don't like it, then dislike it. If you want to be notified by the latest news and updates about this game, then subscribe. Thanks for watching and listening and doing all that stuff, and now I gotta go do other things. Farewell.